Hey guys, today we're going to be making healthy pumpkin brownies. Despite having no sugar, flour, butter or oil, these are incredibly delicious. Start by adding a cup of oats blended into a flour. Then add half a cup of cooked pumpkin or pumpkin puree, I used butternut squash, as well as 1 egg. Now add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Using high quality cocoa is going to make your brownies taste rich and chocolatey. Add 5 tablespoons of honey for sweetness. I didn't make mine super sweet, but you can add more to taste. Then add 1 teaspoon each of baking soda and baking powder to help the brownies rise. I've also added a tablespoon of instant coffee to bring out the chocolatey flavor, as well as a pinch of salt and a 1/4 cup of milk for the liquid. Then whisk everything together until it is smooth and combined. Once you have a smooth batter, transfer it into a greased baking tray. Spread your brownie batter into an even flat layer. Mine was about 1 centimeter thick. Once the batter is evenly spread out, bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Once baked, allow the brownies to cool for at least 30 minutes before slicing them into even squares. As you can see, these brownies have that perfect crackly exterior with a defined crumb. They are super chocolatey and delicious while still being healthy for you. If you recreate these brownies, make sure to tag me on Instagram and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes.